tilt this puppy forward and see what we got going on. Definitely easier said than done here. But we need to get to the back of the machine. So here goes. Okay, so position it so the washer and the dryer will clear the top portion. Just tip it forward. Okay. Yeah, definitely gonna need to go get my wet dry vacuum before this is done. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull out all the screws here to be able to have access to the thermal switches. And we got our breaker turned off, so should be alright. Okay, definitely plenty dusty here. Gonna go get my wet dry vacuum in a little bit here. But we need to test these high limit switches as well as the thermal fuse. And this is the thermal fuse right here. So we'll remove one lead from each of these. And the thermal fuse. Okay, now we're ready for testing. Set my multimeter to ohms and prove that it's working. Go from one lead to the other lead. That one's good. And on this one, go one lead to the other lead. That one's good. And our thermal fuse, one lead to the other lead. That's good too. So both our high limits tested out okay, as well as our thermal fuse checked out okay. Alright, so I'll come back with the wet dry vacuum that all out.